Imagine a bustling city, teeming with activity, where the mayor resides in a central office, directing everything. In the vast metropolis of a cell, that mayor's office is the nucleus. The nucleus is the command center, the brain, if you will, of every cell, controlling every function and dictating the cell's activities. It's the heart and soul of cellular life. The nucleus is more than just a bossy control center. It's a marvel of nature's design, a complex structure that houses the cell's most valuable treasure, DNA. This DNA holds the blueprint for the entire organism, the instructions for every protein, every cell, every function of the body. And within this nucleus, there's a special area called the nucleolus. It's like the mayor's personal assistant, specializing in producing ribosomes. These ribosomes are the cell's protein factories, churning out all the proteins a cell needs to function. But how does the nucleus manage all this information? Picture a library with the nucleus as the librarian. It doesn't just store the books, it knows exactly where each one is and can retrieve it at a moment's notice. This is thanks to the nuclear pores, gatekeepers that control what enters and leaves the nucleus. They ensure that the correct information gets to where it needs to go. The nucleus is not just a place, it's a process, a never-ending cycle of DNA replication, gene expression, and protein synthesis. It's a bustling hub of activity, a control center that ensures the cell functions smoothly. To sum it up, the nucleus is the command center of the cell, housing the DNA and controlling the cell's activities. Its special area, the nucleolus, produces ribosomes, the cell's protein factories. The nuclear pores act as gatekeepers, controlling what enters and leaves the nucleus. And all this activity is a process, a cycle of replication, expression, and synthesis that keeps the cell alive and functioning. So next time you think of a cell, remember its bustling nucleus, the command center directing every function, the heart and soul of cellular life. It's a marvel of nature's design, a testament to the complexity and beauty of life on a microscopic scale.